And the tariff threat kind of in the news today, but the S&P, Nasdaq higher after the tariff news, while the Dow is down by about 0.5%. Amgen leading Dow lower as the stock is now down more than 11% at a 52-week low on underwhelming results from their weight loss drug trial. Both the Dow and the S&P hit new intraday records yesterday. The Dow actually closed at an all-time high, and the small cap Russell also hit a new high for the first time since 2021. Treasury yields slightly higher today after falling yesterday. Much of the decline was attributed to the new Treasury Secretary pick. Consumer confidence earlier this morning a bit above expectations and the highest number of the year. New home sales, while they cratered more than 17% in October as mortgage rates surged. Fed minutes later today, and that outlook could change after all of the eco data that we get tomorrow. It is a big eco data day. PCE, durable goods, GDP, personal spending, retail and wholesale inventories, and we also get weekly jobless claims because of the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday. This data could certainly change the outlook for a December rate cut, and as of right now, CME FedWatch tools showing about a 56% probability of a 25 basis point cut at the December meeting. ES option data, today's expiring 6,000 and 59.80 strike puts, both over 10,000. Also today's expiring 60.25 calls over 13,000. But tomorrow's expiring 6,000 puts over 11,000. But as I mentioned last week, keep an eye on this Friday's end of month 61.20 strike calls. They have open interest of nearly 20,000. Put volume has dropped to about 66%, but short-term options still account for about 61% of all ES option volume over the last 5 days. And Bitcoin, after almost hitting 100,000, Bitcoin has dropped about 8% down to the 92,000 level. Micro Bitcoin futures here at the CME continue to be robust. After topping out at over 200,000 contracts back on the 13th, still seeing average daily volume over the last couple of weeks well in excess of 100,000 contracts. And with 3 days left to go in the November CME Bitcoin futures, there's now about a $4,000 difference between the November and the February futures contract.